The words we speak have the ability to make you feel powerless or powerful. I've seen this maybe 200, 300 times. It's becoming my favorite clip ever. Because in it we see how words have power. The words we speak have power to make you feel infinite or inferior. The words we speak have the ability to make you feel powerless or powerful. I speak with power because it matters. You know why we laugh? You haven't recognized what you want in life. And I want this bad. I want to inspire somebody in here. I want to change somebody's life. If I am not here for you, then I hope the Lord sends somebody for you. But today I'm here for somebody. That's why I speak with power. So as I was saying, words, they have the power to make us feel powerless or powerful. Negative words have the power to bring us down. Positive words have the power to lift us up. And this, we see the power of words. What did the dad say to his son? The dad said, rhetorical, I like you. Good job. What did the dad say to his son? He said, son, before I do that, what did the son, I'm going to speak over her. What did the dad say to his son? He said, son, I see you with the basketball, but I don't want you to go chase those dreams. You're going to be average, son. No better than I was. I don't want you to go chase those dreams. And what happened to the son? He had a basketball. He's like, I'm going to make it, Dad. Like, I'm going to make it. Like I'm going to make it to the leagues. And then he just tossed the basketball away. He tossed away his dreams because all his dad said was one thing. You're going to be average. And he went from high hopes of making it to the league, high hopes of becoming something, to tossing it away. And the dad recognized something. He said, son, you got a dream? Protect it. People are going to doubt you. But if you want it, go get it. Period. He said, son, you got a dream? Protect it. People will doubt you. But if you want it, and you want it, and you want it, and you want it, go get that dream. Period. He didn't end it with a comma. He didn't end it with a dash that you could continue on the sentence. He didn't end it with a semicolon. He ended with a period, like there's nothing after it. Go get it. So with that, I came to tell you, you got a dream. Go get it. Period. No matter what the doubters say, no matter what, even if your parents say you can't do it, no matter if a friend say you can't do it, not if your best friend say you can't do it. All right, dog, watch me. That's what I say. I say, watch me do it. And every day that I wake up, I do it. I do it, and I'm trying to inspire. I'm trying to put that fire inside of you to say, you want to be that? What you practicing for, dog? What are you practicing for? You said you're doing it for your mama. You said you're doing it to help her out the hood. And every day wake up like that. Why are you opening that gallery, sir? You want to inspire people, right? Think about those people. What you want to do? Think about who is going to benefit from the work that you're going to do. Go do it. Be the best at it. I like to ask this question prior to me leaving, and I'd like us to agree on something. I had this challenge that everywhere I go, whether it is DC, Virginia, Dallas, other places, I ask this question, and I ask you to accept this challenge. Eyes on me. Please. If today you can say goodbye to those things that hold you back, the drill that you do, you ever strap something around yourself and have to run? Weights behind? How you feel? How you feel? How you feel?
Huh?
Huh?
I'll be ready.
Huh?
I'll be feeling tired, but I'll be ready.
Uh-huh, you be ready, huh? And you ready to get it, right? You ready to get it, right? That's like people holding you back. That's like somebody saying, you can't do it, man. Nah, stay back here with us. Chill with us. What you going? The game is on. What you talking about? I need you to say goodbye to them. Somebody calls you average, I need you to say, okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Watch me. If you could do that, I need you to repeat this after me. I accept the challenge.
I accept the challenge.
I think y'all hear me. I'm going to challenge you to accept this challenge the way I need you to accept this challenge. There are people in your life that's going to doubt you. Mom, you've been doubted before. Mom, you've been doubted before. Have you been doubted before? Have you been doubted before? Have you been doubted before, sir? Have you been doubted before, sir? Think about those people that doubt you. Think about those people. Have you doubted yourself? Have you doubted yourself? Think about those times where you said, man, Jabari, you can't even do it. You looked up at the mountain and you said, man, I can't even make it up there. How old boy, old girl made it up there. I can't even do it. You doubted yourself before. So today, I need you to declare it, that you will not doubt yourself. And even when you doubt yourself, what do? You just think positive. You say, nah, I got this. It's hard, but I got this. And in life, when you continue to say that, you will defeat challenge after challenge after challenge. So I challenge you to accept my challenge. Repeat after me, I accept the challenge.
I accept the challenge.
Y'all not hearing me yet. I need one more. The thing is, I need you to think about a time where you really wanted something, whatever it is. You really, really, really wanted this one thing. Rock with me for a second. You really, really wanted it. You're like, man, I want it bad. You wanted it bad? You wanted it bad? You wanted it bad? Huh? You wanted it bad? Something that you wanted real bad. You wanted it bad? Thank you. You wanted it bad? Think about that time. And somebody said you can't get it. And you're like, man! Think about that time. That emotion that you had because you really wanted it bad. Think about your dream that way. And when somebody says that to you, you're like, man, I don't care what you're talking about. I got this. Developed a relationship with him above and said, we got this. If you accept my challenge, I need you to scream out, I accept the challenge.
I accept the challenge.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. No, not yet. I need you to keep that energy. When I say the word think, I want you all to say positive. When I say the word dream, I want you to say big. Think.
Positive.
Dream.
Big.
Think.
Positive.
Dream.
Big.
Think.
Positive.
Dream.
Big.
The reason why we did that so many times, you're just like, man, why am I saying it? When you scream it out, you feel different. You're like, man, whew, I screamed that out. It's crazy. It's because we have to say something positive. We have to say something positive. 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, we got to say something positive just to erase one negative word in our psyche. That's how our brain works. We got to say, I can, just after somebody told us that we can't once. So that's why I say it every time. Think positive, dream big. We said it about 9 or 10 times. And that is to help erase at least 2, 3 people that ever doubted you. So now at the end of the day, you can say this flower brother from Brooklyn, New York, came to your school today, came to this conference today, asking you, begging you. At the end of the day, think positive and dream big. My name is Jabari. I thank you very much.
Thank you so much for listening, for watching. Did you enjoy the content? Then click like, click subscribe, and remember, like a tree that grows from a seed, everything that you will be is already inside of you.